Uh-oh. Did you hear that sound?
Yes!
What was it? A giggle.
And who started it?
Mommy! I heard a tiny giggle hiding in the room. It tiptoed past the table, then boom, it went vroom. Where did it go? Under the couch. What happened next? It made Daddy laugh. Giggle, giggle, where will you run? Will you tickle everyone? From tiny laugh to giant roar, the giggles bouncing through the door. It jumped to the kitchen, it bounced on a chair, it wiggled through the window, now it's everywhere. Who's laughing now? Grandma? Is she louder than Daddy?
Yes!
Yes! Grandma's big laugh fast. Giggle, giggle, where will you hide? Under the table or right outside? From tiny laugh to giant roar, the giggles bouncing through the door. Oh no. Do you feel it growing?
Yes!
Can we stop it?